Uy, time to read my comments on YouTube. I like your old videos better. I don't like watching your videos now. We need entertainment, not stories about your life. Honestly, you're getting boring.
Ano ba yan? Comment lang yan sa video mo. Ano ba yan? Tigil mo na yan. Bahala ka na nga.
Honey, wait! Wait! Hello? Hello? But seriously, YouTube, make no mistake about the purpose of my channel and why I do videos on this site. It's not my obligation to entertain you or make you laugh, nor is it my obligation to inform you, educate you, or whatever it is that you expect me to do on this channel. Sometimes I do silly videos that people find funny, but that's not all I do on this channel. Yes, I do a lot of videos where I talk about myself, talk about my life. That's because I'm a video blogger. That's what video bloggers do, you know. I also do mini documentaries, interviews. I do travel videos, I do cooking videos, I do music videos, and all kinds of videos, no, on this site. So it's really, I'm doing all these videos specifically for my own entertainment, no. And if people out there on YouTube like what I do, I appreciate it, and I continue to be appreciative of all the people who visit my channel, watch my videos, and leave comments, no. I thank each and every one of you, good or bad comments. But please, once again, make no mistake, no, I'm not here to do your bidding. I'm not here for your own purposes. It's specifically for my purposes and my reasons. So try to keep an open mind when you're in my channel, no? Because I'm liable to do anything. Make no expectations. Thank you very much, YouTube. Until tomorrow, bye-bye. Oh yes, before I forget, if you complain about the content of my videos, be warned, I could make my next video about you.